Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Over the Seas. So today we came to Fenja Night Market. So this is the largest night market in Taiwan. So here we get lots of street food, accessories, clothes, basically everything one can think of and one uses in their daily life. So let's see. This is the entrance of Fenja Market. So as soon as we enter, on the left we see that there are a lot of sandals. The price range starts from $190. That is 6.5 USD or 475 rupees. That's very low price. So this is PSGB. They have about 7 stores just in the Fenja market itself. So the price range starts from 99 NTD or you can say 247 rupees. So we come here a lot to check out the outfit pairing ideas, like what bottom to wear with which kind of top. So this one is also very famous. It is Omuses. So they sell a lot of party wear gowns, or you can say wedding shoot gowns. So the wedding shoots are very famous in Taiwan. These are all designer pieces. So the price range starts from 29 US dollars to 250 US dollars. There are also jewelry over here, so that when you try on a dress, you can also mix and match with all these jewelry. We also have wallets, tiaras, and their bells. We actually bought a lot of dresses from here. Taiwanese actually love their pets a lot, so they bring them everywhere, wherever they go. So this lady might have just brought them for a walk in Penja Market. So we found it really fascinating to watch them. So this is brown sugar milk tea. This is very famous in Taiwan. So everyone who comes here generally tries this. So there is no one who wouldn't have tasted this in Taiwan. So we went on a weekend, so there are a lot of people over here. This is an Indian restaurant in Fenja Market. So to give more Indian feels, he designed a truck kind of thing in front of his restaurant. So this is Golden Leg. This is also very famous. So we generally see this in festivals, music festivals basically. So this one is left leg and that one is golden leg. Left leg is basically fried chicken dipped in some kind of sauces, and we took the golden leg. This is fried chicken with cheese on top. These are again people waiting for different kind of fried chicken. This is also very famous. A large chunk of chicken meat is deep fried in oil. So the price is about 75 for normal chicken. This is how it looks after it is fried. This is stinky tofu. This is one of the traditional snacks in Taiwan. So this is made out of soy milk, the vegan kind of cheese. This is before it is fried, and after it is fried it somewhat looks like this. This is Mr. Bolo store. So here we get a lot of puffs which are filled with custard or chocolate or ice cream. There are variety of flavors you can choose from, variety of fillings. This one is our favorite in summer. This is shaved ice, basically ice based dessert. So this man is shaving milk ice, and then he'll top it up with some fresh fruits and add some condensed milk to it. This is how it looks, and it tastes amazing, like a milky flavor, and then you have some sweet flavor from the condensed milk, and then you have also the fresh fruit. This is knife massage. This is the first time we are witnessing something like this. We were equally shocked to see this. This costs about 99 NTD for one person. As the poster suggests, it relieves us from all these kind of pains. These are all claw machines, so whoever has watched Korean series before would know this better. So we also have Halloween themed claw machines over here. So these are Bluetooth speakers. These are some toys. So we put a $10 over here, 10 NTD, and then we operate the joystick and we point it to whatever item we have chosen and we drop it to the left. This is one of our favorite snack. This is made out of quail eggs, quail bird eggs. They fry it in this kind of pan, and each portion has about 7 eggs, and they have flavors over here to be just put on the eggs. Like she's using wasabi actually, which is a Japanese flavor. We like it more spicy, so we are putting some pepper powder over there. It's very hot, so that's my expression while eating it. One is basically love their teas. They have tea along with their lunch, dinner, and even breakfast. So when you see people walking around in Taichung or anywhere in Taiwan, you can see that they're carrying some kind of tea bottles. So this is basically some kind of juice, and they also have lot of fruit teas. Like they even have the rose tea and they have roselle tea, which are made out of flowers. And these are some kind of smoothies which are very famous in summer. So here it is summer right now. So this is again a tea shop where you can also buy some tea leaves and tea bags. We have peach tea over here and we have mint tea, and then there is oolong tea and a lot more. So Fenja night market is very big, so we couldn't cover everything in this video. So we basically concentrated more on street food, drinks and clothing. So hope you like this video. Please subscribe, share and comment. Thanks for watching. See you again.